pleasure to be here again. I'm the Brazilian ambassador to St. Lucia and the OECS. It's my pleasure also to be cooperating with you again by donating some medicines. This is in hard moment we are going through. This time to OECS member state. Here we have this oseltamivir, Tamiflu. We are going to donate 15,000 capsules like this to the Commonwealth of Dominica. And all this has been negotiated and will be sent by OECS. That means OECS is a good partner of us for technical and humanitarian cooperation. We have been doing mostly now humanitarian cooperation, and I sincerely hope that we go far beyond donation of medicine, I sincerely hope we can work together in other areas, in the field of health, the field of agriculture, in the field of education, whatever. So OECS will point out the needs and we do our best to fulfill those needs as a technical cooperation or humanitarian cooperation according to the needs. So at this moment, I make this symbolic handover of the medicine. Down there, there are 4 huge boxes full of it. It is only a symbol of what is going to be forwarded to the Commonwealth of Dominica. Please, Rosalind, accept this in the name of the government and the people of Brazil.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ambassador. On behalf of the OECS Commission, the Director General and the Member States of the OECS, we really appreciate your support. We appreciate the partnership. We appreciate that you come through for us through this times and through this donation of Tamiflu that we are going to dispatch to the Dominica. And on behalf of the OECS PTS, we say thank you and we look forward to more partnerships with you and the people of Brazil. So we also want to thank the people of Brazil for the donation, and we say thank you for standing with the OECS member states at this time.
I want to echo Rosalind's sentiments and say thank you. And as members of CELAC, we would like to thank you for the long-standing cooperation. And as the Director General emphasized at this meeting of the CELAC group of countries, our long-standing partnership augurs well because it supports us, especially in this time of COVID-19. So once again, we'd like to say thank you very much.